Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, we will learn how to write 7 lines essay on 14th August, that is Independence Day of Pakistan. So let's start. First point is 14th August is an important day in the history of Pakistan. Second point is on this day in 1947, Pakistan got freedom from British rule and became an independent country. Third line is this day reminds us of the sacrifices and efforts made by our freedom fighters. Fourth point is people celebrate this day with great love, pride, and happiness. Fifth point is schools, offices, and public places are decorated with lights and national flags. Sixth point is special prayers, events, and ceremonies are held across the country. And the last point is Independence Day teaches us unity, patriotism, sacrifice, and loyalty to the country. Thanks for watching.